Well, this Bissell Powerforce compact is probably one of the most disposable vacuums ever made. And what I mean by that is these things are so cheap that when people clog them up or break the belts, they'll just go out and buy another one. This machine I think is about 3 years old or so. And you can already see what's wrong with it, at least part of it. It's got a clog. Almost every single time I pick up a vacuum that's not, really old, any of these newer machines made within the past 5 years, the most common repairs that I have to do to them are just unclogging them. Occasionally we do get some chewed up cords, but that's good enough for electrical tape to fix. But this machine is definitely clogged. Not even going to bother turning it on just yet. But this is one of the more common areas where these clog. Of course, that's a problem as well. Handle's good, I just looked through that. The other spot where these like to clog is at the hose. Undo that. Lift up. It's dirty. We'll go ahead and pull that off and clean it. Surprisingly, the inside of this is not clogged. Where these also like to clog is right here behind the brush roll. So 5 screws. Doesn't look like there's anything there. Other than being pretty dirty, it's probably all that was wrong with this. So we'll go ahead and throw it back together. But you can always look down there. That one looks nice and clean. The crush-proof hosing is a little dented in, but nothing I wouldn't be surprised about with one of these cheapo machines. Brush roll is not horrible, covered in hair, of course. Clean that up. Not great, not horrible, but it's good enough for what we're going to do with this. Belt's not bad. You can continue to use the belt on something like this. You can replace the belt. Link is in the description, but this one is actually still decent. So we're just going to throw it back in. And of course, throw the bottom plate back on. These wheels are kind of locked up, so we'll touch those up next. Well, putting it back together. plenty of junk for this thing to pick up for this test and see how it does. No floor adjustments on this. If it's on, it's on. Picked up all kinds of nastiness. Gross.